Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. And today we have a very special shout out to Stelly Grills and Chills. Stelly's on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Go check out his YouTube channel. A lot of great recipes, a lot of great cooking. And for me, it's just the most relaxing thing to watch. His voice is so cool. Stelly is smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. So go check out Stelly Grills and Chills. All right, we're going to make a quick drink. I'm going to do a blood orange screwdriver. So I have these lovely, beautiful blood oranges. And of course we need some vodka. Got some nice Grey Goose. Where's my jigger, Mookie? You got my jigger? All right, we'll go about an ounce of vodka. It's early in the day, so we'll keep it light. And then I'm just gonna, I got a really nice juicer, but I just got my hand citrus juicer today. I find with the Revels and the actual juicers, the orange gets a little frothy, so you don't want the pith. So any kind of citrus juicer will work. And that was 4 oranges. I didn't get a lot of juice, so a regular screwdriver doesn't have club soda, but I'm just going to add a little just to top it off. And then I saved a nice blood orange wheel for garnish. And that is a blood orange screwdriver. What do you think, Mookie? All right, stay tuned. Coming up next, we have Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie and I are going to make a tostada, so stick around for that. Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we're doing shrimp tostadas. So I got some tostadas. It's important to toast your tostadas in the oven. Gonna put some shrimp on the Barbie mate. They're pretty big shrimp. I got black tiger shrimp, so I'll probably do 3 shrimp per tostada. And I'm doing 3 tostadas at, what's the math there, Mookie? 9 shrimp. All right, so we'll get started on grilling my shrimp. Alright, so we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. got my shrimp tostadas. I got lazy, so I got a twisted tea going. It says half and half. Check out my Rat Pack episode number 2 to find out what a real half and half is.
You're trying to sneak up here. Aren't you?
Just thinking about it.
Oh,
Please, sir.
All right.
that's
fine.
the money shot.
Can I have some shrimp?
All right, fine. Come.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Special thanks to Stelly Grills and Chills. Make sure you go to his channel. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says I should leave you with the immortal words of the band Weezer. You can't knock the hustle. Leave a 5-star review and we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.